Hi there, gadget lovers. Let's see the products and hacks we've got in this beautiful apartment. We'll see the tools this girl is using in her apartment. We've got this box you can use for organizing your stuff. She's gonna do the laundry using this smart washing machine and this powder. This is a plastic folding basket where you can put your stuff like small accessories. This is a folding dustpan you can use for sweeping the floor. We've got these plastic chairs. This is an organizer. It's a plastic organizer you can use for organizing your shoes. It's really amazing. We've got another apartment. We've got this boy, he's doing his homework. We've got this machine you can use for heating water. This is a small fan. This is a coffee table. He's organizing this stuff. This is a small trash bin. He's sweeping the floor using this cleaner. We've got this electric cleaner you can use for the floor. This is another vacuum cleaner. This is a folding mop. He's mopping the floor. This is a closet you can use for organizing your shoes. It's really cool. All these gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon, Temu, Alibaba or AliExpress. So if you need any product, just visit these websites. This is another plastic organizer. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is a soap holder. So that's all I have in this video. See you in the next one. Bye.